Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a shirt you seen in the beginning of this video. It is going to be sublimation. And I'm going to try this new Cricut infusible ink t-shirt. As you know, or if you don't know, it's best to do sublimation on a 100% polyester or either a blend polyester. So it doesn't say what this shirt is made of, it just has a size on it. It says medium. So I bet you it is polyester. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do sublimation on a Cricut shirt. This is a size medium for a little kid shirt, so a youth shirt. Oh, I might say the let's see if it says, oh, it says 95% polyester. Okay, so that's cool, that will work. So now we know that these Cricut shirts are 95% polyester. So I'm going to use this shirt. I'm going to make a little girl shirt, and this is the files I'm going to use. These are two different PNGs or SVGs. I'm going to be using these two. This one is from Coco Twins of Etsy. No, she has a website now, www.cocotwins.com, and this I got Etsy's. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna group these together. So I want this to be on the shirt, and I wanted to put this under here like so. I made a notebook like this too. So if you want to see how to make a notebook, sublimate a notebook, to look, I'll leave the link below this video. And I also did a book bag also with HTV vinyl, so you can check that out too. I'll leave a link under there also under the video. So I think this is straight right here. And when you sublimate, you basically have to make sure it's flattened. So let me go ahead and flatten it. You move your cursor to cover the whole picture. You go over here and you see, oh, it's already flattened. All right, I already flattened I flattened the picture. I'm gonna flatten them together. The first thing I have to do is group it so it can be together. Okay, now it's together, so the two pictures is one. And this size, I'm going to keep it this size because Cricut you have to have a certain size, and the max size for Cricut to cut is 6.75 by 9. So this is a little girl shirt. I'm gonna do a little smaller, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a 6.5 by 7.625. And when you do print and cut, it's a max size for that. So now you see over here it says print and cut, so they're able to print and cut it. And I'm gonna go ahead and flatten it right there, so it's all ready to go. So basically, now I'm gonna go ahead and push make it. And how you basically upload these files from right here, you go to upload, and then let me see if I can show you real quick before. And you can just get it from your projects, the images you already uploaded, or you can go to image and it'll take you to the web or to your files. And you can browse and find the file anywhere on your computer. So I'm gonna cancel the app. I'm just trying to show you. If you want more information on how to do that, you can leave a comment below, and I can show you more. I'll give you a tutorial for 101 on Cricut. Okay, so I already flattened it. It looks good. This is how I want it, the size I want it. So then I'm going to go to make it. And now you see it's a white sheet, and it's all together. And whenever you put heat or you sublimate, you have to mirror it. So you're just basically flipping the picture over, and then you go ahead and go to continue, and then I'm gonna send it to printer. Okay, so basically that's all you have to do. So while that's printing out, I'm gonna go ahead and get my heat press together and ready, and get the shirt together, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm back. I have my shirt ready. I'm about to prep it in front of you so you can see what I do when I prep my shirt for sublimation. Okay, so I have the shirt. I took my mat off my heat press because sometimes the mat goes right here on the heat press, right here. But sometimes when I be trying to get the shirt and I put it under here, I burn myself because it's really hot up here. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you how this is the heat press right here. And sometimes when I had the mat up there, I kind of burn my finger when I try to get the shirt together. So what I'm gonna do is put the shirt right here and get it together right here. Prepare it. Okay. So first thing I need to do, I put a piece of butcher paper in between the shirt. So, right in between the shirt so it won't bleed through. And I've used the same size of paper that my image would be. And I put that real straight right there. The paper's under there. So when I put the sublimation paper on, it won't bleed through the other side of the shirt. And then I center my shirt on the mat. And like I said, I only do like 2 fingers under the neckline. And this is a kid's shirt, so the image won't be that big. And I'm just making sure everything is straight. Then after I do that, I get my lint roller. Because with sublimation, they say you make sure you get a lint roller and get all the, make sure you know nothing on there because it will show up. Okay, I did that. Straighten it back out. Okay, and then also you need to heat the shirt to get all the wrinkles. Press the shirt for like 5 seconds to get all the wrinkles out of the shirt. So let's do that. Make sure it's straight. Okay, so let me put this up so you can see my heat press. So go ahead and put this up here, like so. Go straight. Okay, it looks good to me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the image. The picture that I'm gonna use, it just fell on the floor, excuse me. Okay, I cut my image out, so this is how it looks. You make sure when you print cut, it's like a black line around it, so I just cut the black line off, and I cut as close as I can to the image, and make sure you mirror your image. There you go. Then I just lay it. Oh, let me press my shirt real quick for a couple seconds. My heat press is still heating up. It's supposed to be 400 to 60 seconds, so it's still heating up. So let me go ahead and just press it a couple for 5 seconds. Okay, get all the moisture out the shirt. Sorry for the loud noise in the background. I'm right by the expressway. I had to keep my window open because my heat press lets out a lot of fumes. So make sure everything is centered. Put that right here, right in the middle. And it's still warming up. I'm waiting for my heat press to warm up. I'm just waiting. See how it's centered right in the middle. Got my heat press from Heat Press Nation, 15 by 15. I'm just waiting. I have to wait till we get to 400. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm back. My press is heated up to 400. We're gonna do this for 60 seconds. I forgot to show you this big old roll of butcher paper. I got this from Sam's, and it's only $20. So you need butcher paper to put in between your shirt and on top of your shirt, so it won't bleed. So I have a big sheet cut right here. Put on top. And you also can use Teflon paper too. I just ordered some, so it's coming in. So Teflon is good too to keep your shirt safe from getting burnt. But right now I've been using the Teflon, butcher paper, and it's been working well for me this far. So everything is straight. I got the image right here upside down. It's mirrored. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. All we gotta do is wait for 60 seconds. So let me know in the comment below what do you want me to do. I can do a lot of different things with Cricut. I'm enjoying myself doing these videos. I really having fun doing them. So just let me know what you want to learn. I can do anything on the Cricut, sublimation, mugs, notebooks. Like I said, I also have videos about how to sublimate notebooks and water bottles. I'm gonna do a mug. Just let me know what you want to see. I'm having fun teaching and learning and showing others what I know. Check out my Facebook page, Charming Gal Boutique. I have all my supplies and all my items and products on that page, which I am selling. But I just love doing craft. I also write books. I'm an author. My author page is Charmaine Galloway, and I just love doing different crafts. I also make jewelry and all kind of different things. I like staying busy. I have my own daycare center. I'm director and owner of Amazing Grace Child Care here in Ohio, and I love children. I also wrote a couple children books. So I stay busy, and I love it. So now the shirt is done. Let's see what we got here on this Cricut shirt. Okay, it's pretty hot, so just gonna lift it up. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. See how the image is faded? So I don't never use them over again. So I just throw it away. Because you want the best picture, so you don't want to keep on using them if you want the best picture. Look at this. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper from the inside of it. They didn't bleed through. That's good. And look at this shirt. Beautiful. Beautiful, just beautiful. The little girl shirt. I love it. Let me set it down here and turn my heat press off. If you have any questions, or you want to see something, just let me know in the description bar below. Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.